In this video, I'll be showing you how to lock apps on Google Pixel. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any phone that you have. So let's say you want to lock some photos or videos just because you don't want anyone else to see them and you want them in your own dedicated area where they're not going to be visible to anyone else. So what you want to do is go over to your gallery, and we can just go over to a recent. Find whatever photo or video that you would want to do this with. So for this example, I'll just be using something like this. All I want to do is go ahead and long press on it, but of course I can select multiple if I want to as well. And then all I'm going to see is on the bottom right, I'm going to see the three little dots where it says more. I'm going to see a lot of options here, but on the bottom, I'm going to see move to secure folder. So go ahead and click on that. Then you just got to enter your secure folder pin. And then once you do that, it's going to say moving items to secure folder. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Then if you ever want to view them again, literally just go over to your secure folder. So I'm going to go over to it right now. And then if I go over to the secure folder gallery, which is very specific, it only shows the things that I've hidden. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.